Hey there, students. Welcome back to another quick guide to mastering your grammar. Today, we're diving into 3 essential grammar rules that can really polish your English and make your communication more effective. These rules are often overlooked but can make a significant difference in how you speak and write. Let's get started. First up, rule number 1. In special situations, these words do not need prepositions. Next, last, this, that, every, any, all, each, today, before, tomorrow, and yesterday. Here are some examples to illustrate this rule clearly. I shall meet you on next Monday. That's incorrect. The correct way is, I shall meet you next Monday. Notice how the preposition on is unnecessary here. Easy, right? Let's try another one. You can come on any day. That's also incorrect. The right way to say it is, you can come any day. See the difference? Just drop the preposition. Moving on to rule number 2. The use of unless and until. These words can be tricky, but let's break it down with some examples. Until he does not work hard, he can get nothing. That's incorrect. The correct way is, until he works hard, he can get nothing. Notice how until is used without not. Or this one, unless you do not reach there, he cannot welcome you. Wrong again. The right way is, unless you reach there, he cannot welcome you. Remember, unless and until should not be followed by not. Let's move on to our final rule. Last but not least, rule number 3, the use of lest. Lest should always be followed by should and no other helping verb. This is a common mistake but easy to fix. Check this out. Run fast lest you might not miss the train. That's incorrect. The correct way is, run fast lest you should miss the train. Simple and straightforward. So to recap, drop the prepositions with special words, use unless and until correctly, and remember lest always pairs with should. Master these rules and your grammar will shine. Got it? Great. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy studying. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these rules until they become second nature. See you in the next video.